Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 7th standard. Today I shall discuss about Antarctica, climate, animals and natural resources. This is big chapter, that's why I have divided into 4 parts, some parts. So this is the part 4. Antarctica is a frozen continent. It is the coldest of all all the continents of the world, you know that. But it has a very few, few variations in climate, mainly due to the effect of the surrounding oceans. What are these variations? Antarctica climate is extremely cold and freezing. The powerful stormy winds blow at storm force varying from 150 km per hour to 300 km per hour. The wind speed is low near the South Pole. These winds are known as blizzards in Antarctica. These are strong and stormy winds that blow freely over the continent. December and January and February are the summer season, summer months here, and the minus 35 degrees centigrade is the average temperature, summer temperature in the interior of the continent, but it is 2 degrees centigrade near the coastal areas. May, June, July and August are the winter months of Antarctica. The average winter temperature is minus 70 degrees centigrade in interior, while it is 30 degrees centigrade near the coastal areas. On July 21st, 1983, the lowest temperature of minus 90 degrees centigrade was recorded at Vostok station. It is in Russian station. And then in Antarctica, the sun never sets during summer and never rises during winters. This is the special feature here. Antarctica receives no rainfall, we can say, or we can say that is less rainfall. At least rainfall means generally that is rainfall means in this area that is not as a drop of precipitation waterfall, that is as a snowfall. The snowfall is common in the continent. Next we will come about animals. A few tiny animals and insects are found in this region. Penguin, whales, krill, snow petrel, etc. are found in this Antarctica. Krills are small sized fishes that are eaten by whales. There are different kinds of whales in Antarctica. Blue whale is one of them. There are about 17 species of penguins in Antarctica. Though penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. This is very, very important. Antarctica is famous for Adelie penguins. Snow petrel resembles a small white dove. It is the most beautiful bird of the continent. About 40 types of flying birds visit Antarctica in summers. The gulls and chukars are the example of these birds. Next we are coming the natural resources. Antarctica is a frozen barren land. It has no population, permanent station, village, city or town. Nothing is there. This continent is visited only by those who have great curiosity to explore some mystery. So Antarctica's only permanent stations are the research centers here, and the eminent scientists stay in these centers for their research work only. Otherwise, this is unmanned station. The scientists believe that Antarctica is a storehouse of precious stones, coal, uranium oil, etc. But these are lying under the thick ice sheet. So, but most of the important concern is how to mine them at reasonable price, especially without damaging this natural environment of Antarctica. So, it is saying that this is the continent of science and research. So, still now people are going there and people are trying to discover so many things, and hope that you who are listening this video, you are also try to invent something, try to found something more information about that Antarctica. Hope that you will be successful also. I think this video will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.